If your vibe coded app looks like this, we need to talk. Every vibe coder have the same issue. You can build anything, but it looks AI built. This is my app QZwiz, and I'm going to show you the exact workflow I used to redesign the app from this to this. Hi, I'm Ose. I'm a solo dev and I build websites and mobile apps. If you're using Cursor to build apps and you know your design is a weak link, this video is for you. I'm going to show you my full design workflow step by step, and stick around for the end. I will show you what this workflow did for my app. The first thing is to download competitor apps, not to copy them but to study what works. I screenshot every screen that catches my eye, on onboarding, the main dashboard, and those cool animations. Then I upload the screenshots to Figma Make and tell it to remix the design for my app style. This way I'm not copying their app, but I'm using their layer decision as a starting point and making it mine. Next up is my secret weapon for design inspirations, Mobbing. Mobbing is basically a library of real app designs. You can search by onboarding, settings, profile, whatever. I look for specific patterns like how do other apps handle achievement? What does a good leaderboard look like? How do they do onboardings? The key is don't just look at pretty screens. Look how they organize information and guide the user's eye. And by the way, Mobbing is a free tool, so you can check it out without having to pay a penny. Now, here is where it all comes together. I take the inspirations I gathered and I use Figma Make to create actual designs in my app style. Figma Make gives me polished designs in seconds. Then I take my sniping to screenshot this new design and paste it into Claude AI inside Cursor. I tell Claude to build the new design in React Native and Expo, and it does that. The slop is research, design, build. It takes me a couple hours and not weeks. That is the workflow. Design isn't just how it looks, it is how it feels. And that is where micro interactions comes in. Let me show you what I added to QZwiz that boosted the app's retention. Number one, a confetti. When user continues a streak or passes a quiz, they get a confetti animation. This makes the achievement feels real. Second thing I added was an achievement unlock. When users unlocked a badge, there was a reveal animation. The third thing I added was leaderboard titles, so users can track their growth. These animations ain't hard to build, but they're the difference between an app people use and an app people love. So let's put it all together. This is what my vibe coded app looks like with zero design thinking. Now this is what it looks like after applying this workflow. If this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe. I make videos about building mobile apps and websites as a solo developer.